If you need to point your root domain to another hostname, then in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to add an alias record in Namecheap, step by step. This is a really useful DNS setup when you want your domain apex, meaning the main domain, without www, to point to another host cleanly and efficiently. It's simple once you know where to click, and I'll walk you through the whole process so you can do it confidently. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for Domain List on the left side or in the Main Account area. Click on it, then find the domain you want to edit and click Manage next to that domain. Now you'll see the Domain Settings page. From here, go to the Advanced DNS tab. This is where Namecheap lets you manage your DNS records, including A records, CNAME records, TXT records, and in this case, alias records. Scroll down until you find the section called Host Records. This is where all of your DNS entries are listed. To create a new one, click Add New Record. When the record type menu appears, select Alias Record. This is the key step, because alias records are used to point the root domain to a hostname instead of an IP address. That makes it different from an A record, which points to an IP. Next, in the host field, enter the @ symbol, which is at dot. In Namecheap, this represents your root domain. So if your domain is example.com, the @ symbol tells Namecheap that you want this record applied to the main domain itself. In the value field, enter the destination hostname you want your domain to point to. For example, you might enter example.com or another hostname provided by your hosting provider. Make sure you type the exact destination they give you, because the target needs to be correct for the DNS to work properly. Then leave TTL set to automatic. TTL stands for time to live, and leaving it on automatic is usually the safest choice unless you have a specific reason to change it. Once everything looks good, click Save All Changes. That will apply the alias record to your domain. Now, one important note, Namecheap supports alias records on basic DNS, free DNS, and premium DNS, so if you don't see the option available, make sure your domain is using one of those supported DNS setups. After saving, remember that DNS changes can take some time to propagate. In some cases it may update quickly, but in other cases it can take a little while before the new record is fully active across the internet. And that's it. You've now added an alias record in Namecheap. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and leave a comment if you want help with more DNS or domain settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.